So hello everyone and very good morning and welcome back to my channel Live It Today. Hope you all are doing well. I'm so far so good. So friends, this morning it stopped rained and it was rambling. It was raining very heavily last night, and you can see the places becoming wet, and the puddles is forming on my rooftop as well. It was only yesterday that we were witnessing a bright clear sky, but again today there's a cloud all around in the sky. I think after some time it is going to rain again. I don't know when it is going to stop raining. And I thought that after raining for so many days, we'll be having good weather. But last night it was rambling and thundering, and it all started raining very heavily. So, friends, anyway, hope you all are doing well. And friends, I just want to say a few words about English speaking journey. So, friends, if you're just a beginner or midway through your English speaking journey, and if you're translating your mother tongue to English, then it is the biggest mistake you are doing. So, please try to get out of that habit. If it becomes your habit to translate your mother tongue into English, you won't be able to get out of that habit, and you will never be able to improve or speak in the proper English way. So rather than to remain wrong all the time, you make the mistake now by speaking, by thinking, rather than translating. No matter how many times you make mistake, how many times you make it wrong in your English, use speak by thinking from your head rather than translating, because by translating it may sound good for some time, but it is will lead you to always the wrong pattern of sentence. Therefore you start to you know think in English and speak as you wake up in the morning, like wishing the people around you, and speak like today's a great day, like wishing somebody good morning, like the door is open, just go and make a tea, asking somebody else. So this way you can start your day and build up a English speaking environment. So friends, if you really want to improve your communication skills, really want to have a good English communication, then please start thinking from your head and speak rather than translating. And that is what I just want to see, because I'm speaking English, that does not mean I have a good communication. I also just want to improve my communication skill, and I'm just in the journey of English speaking. And this way we all can grow, help each other, support each other, and grow together. So friends, hope you all are doing great, and that's all for today. So friends, until next time, take care, goodbye, keep learning, and all the best.